In this video, I will show you how to fix card not found issue in FC24. An unstable or slow connection can cause issues with loading cards. Restart your router or switch to a wired connection if possible. If it doesn't work, clearing the cache can help resolve this issue. Go to your console settings, find storage or memory options, clear the cache for FC24. For PC users, navigate to the game's installation directory, find the cache folder and delete its content. Restart the game. If it also doesn't work, check for updates in the game launcher or store. Developers often release patches to fix bugs and improve performance. If it also doesn't help, open your game launcher. Go to Game Library, right click on FC24 and select Properties. Find Local Files or Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. If you play FC24 on Steam, you can use this method. If it also doesn't work, sometimes simply logging out and logging back in can fix the issue. Try this a few times before moving on to other solutions. If none of these steps work, reach out to EA support for further assistance. That's it. By following these steps, you should able to fix the cards not found issue in FC24. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.